Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right apps and assets on your iPad. Install Google Calendar and a widget maker, and pick 3 wallpaper images sized for your screen. Once done, sign into the calendar accounts you use, and make sure Color Sync is enabled so event colors match across devices. Now export those wallpapers to Photos and create folders named for each theme. This keeps your workflow organized and makes the next steps much faster. You now build the visual core. Open your widget app and create small, medium, and large widgets that match the iPad grid. Once created, set the widget backgrounds to match or be transparent so the wallpaper shows through. This creates depth and cohesion. Then assign clear color codes inside Google Calendar, Work, Personal, Projects, and pick hues with strong contrast so text remains readable. After that, position widgets on the home screen and test event previews to confirm alignment and spacing. Finish by adding useful shortcuts and cleaning up interactions. Create event templates and link actions using the Shortcuts app so you can add meetings with one tap. Once done, set up focus pages to swap wallpaper and calendar visibility for work versus personal modes. This keeps your aesthetic consistent and functional. If something breaks, refresh Calendar Sync in Settings, reinstall the widget app, or clear its cache. These steps usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.